Hello everyone, today we are doing another unboxing video of yet again another kitchen appliance.
It is the KitchenAid Stand Mixer Artisan.
Let's get straight into the video.
So first step, let's get rid of the nasty box. Okay, there we have it. As mentioned before, this is the KitchenAid Artisan 4.8 litre in the colour Matte Milkshake. Let's have a quick look at the box. Okay, so we've got a picture of the KitchenAid. This is what the colour would look like inside as well. And you can have over 10 different attachments, and it is rated as the #1 brand in the world for stand mixers. The other side shows a different angle. And the same picture on here. So let's have a look at the actual appliance. Oh, this is a little visual of the attachments that are available and a little thank you note on the other side and information about how to register the product. So we've got a use and care guide, quite a big thing. First thing to mention, if you're planning on unboxing this on your own, you should probably have the box on the floor so you can pick it up, otherwise it's a bit of a two-person job. In the polystyrene, I can see some attachments. So attachment #1 is the flat beater. It looks like this. Attachment #2, the dough hook. Inside the bowl we have the power cable and the whisk attachment, as well as the 4.8 litre stainless steel bowl that comes with a very handy handle. Something very cool I've noticed, and I didn't quite realise was a thing, don't know if you can tell, but in the middle of the bowl there's like a raised bit, which looks a little bit odd at first, because how many bowls have got that? But when it fits in, the whisk just nicely goes around it, so you can cover the whole surface of the bowl and not leave you with a pile of stuff at the bottom that hasn't been whisked perfectly. Now, if you're new to a KitchenAid like we are, you might find it interesting to know that it has got a few features, such as the tilt mechanism at the top. In order to unlock it, there is a little lever on the side here. Pull that back and then the top lifts, so you can easily change your attachments. In order to change your attachment, all you need to do is push up and twist and release. In order to attach it, you'll need to do the opposite. Looking from the front of the mixer, we have this little cover and a screw. So what you can do is remove that cover, and that is where different attachments would go, such as your meat grinder, sausage stuffer, and all sorts of stuff like that. On the other side we have the speeds. So it has 10 different speed settings, going from 0, which is off obviously, all the way to 10, which is the fastest, depending on what you are making. So for example, if you want to make stuff like bread, so the main reason why we got this one, then you will need to have it on a lower speed. Whereas if you want to whisk some egg whites for a meringue, then you will need to have it on full speed. So as far as the attachments that came as part of this bundle, the dough hook would be used for kneading dough, so you don't have to worry about doing that manually. Sometimes it might take up to 10 minutes to knead dough for different things like brioche buns and stuff like that. This will come in very handy. And the flat beater can be used to mix your ingredients together in order to form your shaggy dough before you put your dough hook on.
So that was us unboxing and checking out the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer.
If you'd like to see it in action, then why not subscribe to the channel?
In the meantime, if you'd like to see more unboxing videos, click the link on the screen now.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you in the next one.